Today we're going to read our story, Kit. Hoy vamos a leer nuestro cuento, Kit. Say the sounds with me and put them together and say the word. Di los sonidos conmigo y júntalos y di la palabra. Remember to point to each word when you're reading. Recuerda señalar cada palabra cuando estés leyendo. All right, let's say the sounds. Di los sonidos. K, it, kit, kit. The word is kit. La palabra is kit. It's the title. Es el título. K, it, kit. La palabra es kit. K, an, can. Run, run. Let's read it again. Leer otra vez. Kit can run. Kit puede correr. It, kit, kit. Can, can. Kit can sk, ip, skip, skip. Kit can skip. Kit puede saltar. It, kit. An, can. Ip, flip, flip. Kit can flip. And Kit can flip and flap, flap, flap. Kit can flip and flap. Kit puede voltar. Ooh, all right. I want to hear you. Yo quiero escuchar. It, kit, kit. An, can, can. Kit can sw. Ooh, put that together. Juntar. Swim. Swim. Now add the last sound. Agregar el sonido final. Swim. Swim. Kit can swim. Kit puede nadar. Wow! Great job. Buen trabajo. Now continue to practice reading this at home. Continue practicar leer este a la casa.